Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 multi-auth with Jetstream. This part 3 Laravel 11 multi-authentication part 3 create database and migration in Laravel 11. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is Laravel 11 Zest. Is this already open? This my gem folder inside this htdoc directory. Inside this project is available this my Sublime text editor. Let's check this localhost PSP my admin, this PSP version 8.2, and this .env file inside this name is a sense MySQLi, and this hashtag is all remove this hash and hash. This successfully remove, and this database name is Lara 11 Zest. This same here, this project name is the same here, this database name. Let's copy this database name and this click this new, click this inside this new, inside this paste here and click this. Successfully create this Lara underscore 11 Zest, and this is a blank, not empty, found in database. Let's open this, and this database inside this available migration inside this first migration is open, this create underscore user table and this small size, and this unique is a remove inside this nullable, and this nullable is a set, and this password is a nullable. This successfully set this nullable and nullable, and this create, and this database inside this migration inside this, and this close this, and this composer.json file check this composer.json inside this available all latest version, and this close this, and this file is a close already create inside this PSP artisan migrate. This command is the same command is a please writing this command in this my project directory inside this open cmd. This project directory inside this cmd is available. Let's same here copy this command PSP artisan migrate, same this copy and this directory inside paste here and enter. Successfully created. This created all table is created. Let's refresh this page. Database, click this database, inside this all table is created, and click this user table, in this structure successfully structure is available, all nullable is available. Good working, this null is all available. This inside this file inside this already add this null value, and this inside this not a null add inside this primary key is automatically created. This successfully set. This video is done. Please step by step. Next video is set this PSP artisan server, this command enter, and this same URL is a copy and paste here this my browser. Successfully working good. Laravel 11 and this PSP version 8.2 successfully database create. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt, so please contact this anytime. This my official website Error Solution. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always available. This please contact this any doubt, so please contact. And this my channel, YouTube channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this social media link is available. Please follow this all link. Thank you.